Today we're going to build a secure password generator using Python and Streamlit. As you can see on the screen, here's the finished app. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this project from start to finish all by yourself. So let's get started. First things first, we need to install the Streamlit module. You can do this with the command I'm showing on the screen. Just run it in your terminal and you'll be ready to go. Once Streamlit is installed, we start by importing the necessary libraries, which are Streamlit, Random, and String. Then we set up the page configuration with a title and icon. After that, we add the main title of the app and a short description to explain what it does. Once this part is ready, we can go ahead and run the app to see how it looks. I'm showing the command on the screen for running it. Next, we move on to the user settings. This is where users can choose the password length with a slider and decide which types of characters they want to include: digits, symbols, uppercase letters, and lowercase letters. This makes the app flexible so users can generate passwords exactly how they want them. Once this is set up, we can run the app again to see how these options look in the interface and play around with them. Now comes the fun part, generating the password. When the user clicks the Generate button, the app checks which character types were selected. It combines all the selected characters into one string and randomly picks characters to create a password of the chosen length. If the user didn't select any character type, the app shows an error message. Let's run the app now and see it in action. It's really fun to experiment with different settings and generate strong passwords instantly. And that's it. You now have a fully working secure password generator in Python and Streamlit. Remember, you can check out the rest of our Streamlit playlist on the channel to learn even more projects. I've also added the link in the video description so you can start building your own web apps right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.